Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a AutoCAD software and how to this body is design. And guys, this is a AutoCAD lecture 31 and to discuss here a this is a solid subtract, and this is a before lecture previous lecture is a solid union, and this lecture is a solid subtract. And how to this all command is used here. Okay, this is all is this is a workspace is you can see here on the screen, and you can see here this is a perfect okay, but this is a very important discuss here this okay. At first some sketch is drawing here this at first select this use a top plane is a drawing here, and select this use this is a rectangle, and drawing a rectangle is this okay, and this rectangle is a drawing here top plane, and again select use this is a front plane is this and draw a circle is a this midpoint is a drawing here midpoint is some, and this use again this is a solid, this is a SW isometric okay, and one by one is a use of press pull is click here okay, and one by one is select here this is this the downward is this or draw here, and again select a press pull is click here, and this is a this, and this is a this. Then two parts is one by one is connect here, but two parts is use this solid union. Then previous lecture is discuss here again select this solid union is click here, and then select this first part and select this second part, and going to this right click and going to this again enter press enter, then this body is a union okay. But this use both part is one by this is a two part is separate here select this use this solid subtract, and combine selected 3D solid a 2D region by subtraction. Then select this click this part, and this part is first is click here and click right click here enter okay, and then second part is this right click here enter okay. This part is a delete here, this part is a remove here okay. Again select this click here this solid subtract, and again select this part first this part is just select here and right click okay, first is complete here, and then second is a click here and click a right click okay. This is a remove here is this part okay. This is a perfect and correct okay, and this body is a this use this okay, and again drawing this two circle is drawing here this is a perfect drawing here this okay, and isometric view is this isometric okay, and going to this is a perfect one by one is two circle is drawing here first, and second is this this two circle is drawing here, and going to this symmetric okay, this part is okay, and use this extrude command, and also press fully use extrude command and select this and going to this Okay, this is a mode and solid, and this body is a this, and again select this okay, and this body is select this isometric because this part is a okay, this is this, and again select this extrude and select here this line and going to this mode and solid, and this line is a this okay, and this use again select this press full and select this okay, this is a this okay, but this use automatic is this, and going to this okay, and again select a press full and then this select this part, and this is a this okay, okay, and select right click okay, and this part is a this and going to this is a solid subtract, click here, and at first select this first part, right click, and this is second part okay, this is a union is also draw here this body okay, but this part is a undo is a click here okay, okay, this is a perfect and use this press full, and this small part is a drawing here this body, and select this two part is a this first part and click this okay, and so this first part and this is a second part is both is a separate, this is a not union okay, and select this use a solid subtract, then again select this press first part, right click okay, second part and right click, and this is a cut here, this part is a delete here okay, this part is also delete here, and this part is this okay, and this is a color is change here, and this color is a this okay, and this is a this okay, and this perfect is used here okay, okay guys, thank you.